What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Miss Ari Baby. What's up, Slayers and Ari Days? I'm back with another YouTube video. Okay, so I am giving you natural hair vibes, curly hair, lace front, human hair lace front. Okay, with the scarf on. You know, just woke up out of bed, and I have good news because I am doing a Fashion Nova unboxing video today. Yep, so today the video is not going to be long at all. It's only going to be like a good little 5, 7, 10 minutes video. So today I am doing a Fashion Nova unboxing. And before we get into the video, make sure you click that subscribe button, turn on post notification, and like and subscribe, and leave comments at the end of the video. Stay tuned. After this video, I will be posting a try-on Fashion Nova. So we got a couple stuff in Fashion Nova because they had a buy one get one free, and I did not want to miss the sales. Let's get into this video. Okay. So anyways, gotta have the juice. The juice is in the clutch, okay? Cranberry juice, you know what's up. So, this is everything that I got from the store. Oh, and by the way, this is also going to be doing another video about summer leggings. So you know Fashion Nova always send you like receipts. Like this is the receipt that they send you.
By the way, everything costs over $200. Okay.
Bye.
Let's get to the video.
Then they also send you like a return form just in case something goes wrong with your order. They send you like return form like this. And you can just fill it out whatever, like you got something missing, something damaged. And they also send you, they send you 25% off Fashion Nova. I'll leave it in the comment section below. It's called 25% off Fresh 25. I'll leave it in the description in the comment section below. Text Nova. Okay.
Fresh, okay? Fresh 25.
So I have ordered.
I should have took that scarf off my head. I should have did my damn head.
This. I don't even remember what this is, but this is. Looks very cute. Oh, these are the shorts. These are called the large. I wear a large, so all this ice Bermuda shorts, black large. And that's what these are called. This video might be longer than 10 minutes. It might be 15, 20. So, here are the shorts by Fashion Nova.
I would definitely rock those shorts. I look so cute in this video.
Very cute for the summer. Oh, these are very fashionable. I think these shorts cost me about $20-some. Large. So, I might as well go ahead and try them on. Okay, so I changed my mind. So the next one, the second outfit is this. I also seen this on Instagram. This, I think this is a jumpsuit, a romper. Tatiana long sleeves romper, size large. And I also seen this on Instagram too. I thought this was really, really cute. So I had to give me a large size. It looks so small in person, but I think when you put it on, it's gonna look better. So, yeah. This is very cute. This is a romper. This is a romper, not a shirt. It looks like a shirt, but it's actually a romper. It looks like it's gonna be small, but I like the color. I don't really like the words on it, but I like the color. Okay, red. The next one we have this neon green. I don't know why this is, I guess this comes with outfits, but this neon green, I don't really remember ordering this one. Out there snake print joggers. Oh yeah, yep, I did. So yeah, these are the snake print joggers. And these are also a large. Very comfortable for the summer. It lets the air come through and everything through these. They are kind of baggy a little bit, but these are cute. And they feel like aluminum foil. Very cute. I would definitely be trying all this stuff on tomorrow, later on in this video. Okay, so next we have, let's see here. We have peeking through high waist leggings, blue, size large. And I also seen these on Instagram too, and I thought these were really, really cute, girl. And I thought these were really, really cute. So I have to really, really order them because you know I'm a tourist. Okay, April 23rd, don't get it twisted. April 23rd, tourist, baby. Baby. And these are really, really cute, okay? I like it. Like, I like the holes in the leggings on the side. Like the holes right here. These are really, really cute, okay? These are very perfect for the summer. You know why they're perfect for the summer, not the winter? Because the holes, so the air can come through the leggings, so you won't be hot in there, okay? Your vagina, your coop has to breathe. So, and I see it in the back. Yes. So this is very design, stylish, Fashion Nova, baby. Awesome. Make sure you guys tag Fashion Nova in this video. I'd love to be sponsored on their channel. Tag them. I'm also going to tag them as well. And also I have got these, baby, see-throughs. Now these are perfect for like going swimming. Like you have a bathing suit, you put the bathing suit on, and then put these on underneath the bathing suit. And these are playing the game mesh joggers. That's what they call it, extra large. Well, no, large, not extra large. I ain't that big. And these are so cute. These are so cute. I can't wait to try this stuff on tomorrow because today I gotta go to work, so I ain't gonna have enough time for all that. So I like the holes, the very design, and it's like see-through. So you definitely have to wear something underneath. You can't just go out with just these on and no type of underwear. You have to wear something under these because these are so cute. It smells so good. So now we have this jacket, this denim jacket. This is so cute. Now this is the reason why I like this, because of this. I like this denim jacket. It is really pretty. See, it's like a crop top denim jacket, long sleeves. So like this would probably be perfect for like the fall or the spring when it's kind of like warm and hot outside. I think you can also wear this in the summer too, but not when it's blazing hot because it might be too hot for the long sleeves. Yep, so that is called All This Ice Denim Jacket. And I have the pants go with this outfit. All This Ice Denim Jeans. Then this one I had ordered was a set. So it came with 2 pieces instead of just one. And this one is called Stacy's Overall Set. So this is the shirt. That's the shirt that comes with the set, and then the overalls. The overalls that comes with the shirt. So that would be really, really pretty. I can't wait to try that one on. I don't know how many times I said pretty in this video, but I'll probably say pretty about 20 times in this video. And we already 10 minutes in. Okay, so the next one, I have so many. I have ordered a lot. So the next one is this. Baby doll. I thought this one was really, really cute too. Crop top baby doll. Crop top large. This is so cute. I can't wait to try this stuff on. And in the back. Perfect. Perfect for the summer. Flat out. So tomorrow I'm gonna try it on. Today I'm just unboxing. Then I also got shoes as well because I like the little furry thing on the top. So I got me some new sliders. These are very, very cute. Got me 10s because my feet is pretty big. These are called Feather Weather Sliders. Black. Got me some new sliders. Fashion Nova. I should have got like the Remo sliders. I was thinking about it. And we have 2 more left. This one right here is called Temporarily Love Bodysuit. So yes, I guess this is a bodysuit. I'm trying to see how it goes. Oh, I see it. Okay. Okay, I see it. Okay. So I guess it's like a cross thing. I guess it crosses. I probably would have to look back at the picture, how you put it on. So yeah, so I guess it's like this. It's a bodysuit. And that's the back of the bodysuit. And it says baby girl, baby. And then the last one is Temporarily Love crop top. So this is the crop top. This is a really little crop top too. And I guess it's a 1 shoulder crop top. And that is large as well. So for this crop top, I have to find my old Fashion Nova that I had in my bag to go with that crop top. And then these overalls, I have to have some shorts to go with these overalls as well. I will definitely be uploading some new pictures on my Instagram, and I'll be uploading some new videos starting this week. I've been very, very busy because I've been working 6 days off the week. So I haven't really had the chance to really upload much. But that is the end of today's video. Subscribe, like, comment, do what you gotta do, cut on your post notifications. And I am out. See you in the next YouTube.
Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. And Cardi B has a new Fashion Nova line. Definitely subscribe to that.